Picking the trumpet is a very personal decision. You'll need to try out many different horns to narrow down the brand, and then you'll need to try out 3 or more of the same horn. You'll be amazed at how different each one is. By the way, don't bother with those Chinese-made horns. They make great lamps, and that's about it. Many years in the future, it could be a different story, but for now, stay away from them. I started on a Holton student horn and then switched to a Schilke B1 at the beginning of high school. This is the horn I mostly developed on through college and beyond. When I acquired the horn in 1979, Schilke and Yamaha were collaborating together. Schilke would make the horn, and Yamaha made valves for some of the horns. The valves, I would find out 20 years later, were much slower, more imprecise, and not as good as the ones made by Schilke. Around 2001, I picked up an old intermediate Bach, and it was faster and better. I wish I had known about the valves many years before. The lesson, and what I'm trying to convey to you, is to try many horns, and to keep on trying horns throughout your playing career, as others may be better built or better suited for you. Each builder has their own design philosophy on how they build their horns and what they are trying to achieve. So try many different ones and ask questions. I am still testing out horns. I am currently playing on a Bach that I had adjusted by Dr. Valve. For me, and you might be different, this large bore horn seems not to be the ticket. I am leaning towards a medium bore horn. Thanks for listening.